How you doing? So I have got this driveway to clean today. It's on a very busy road, so you're going to be getting a lot of noise from the traffic passing by. As you can see, it is pretty bad. It is covered in leaves. They're everywhere. Customer wants them getting up, so I've got to get the leaves up. That'll be the first thing to do. But they're not too bad. They should come up pretty well. It's just finding somewhere to put them all and store them all. I've got some bags, got some buckets, so hopefully we're going to fill them up. Don't know what the weather's going to be like today. It's been on and off raining all week. Hopefully I'm going to be able to get it sanded, get it completed today, but if not, I'll just have to come back and sand it another day. But yeah, it should come up pretty well. So I've got a little question for you. Do you prefer to hear the sound of the washer when I'm cleaning, or would you like some music over it, or would you like a little bit of both? Drop me a comment below, because you know, I like to please my fans, my 889 as of day of recording fans. So yeah, drop me a comment below. Anyway, let's stop cracking, let's get cracking. Let's grip it, rip it, and let's make it shine. Not said that for a while. Whew. Got them all up, as you can see. Looking loads better. There was absolutely loads. Can't believe how much is cut up. And there you go, fill that massive green bag that we left in the customer's garden from somewhere. Sorry about the traffic and the noise, but it's like 3, 6, 9 bags, and that massive bag as well. Right, so next thing to do is actually get cleaning this driveway. So let's do it. days. It is raining, but I've got it cleaned. Just got to come back and sand it. All those leaves are gone. Got them all in the van, believe it or not. The van is absolutely rammed, so I'll get that to the local tip. Get rid of that. But yeah, not going to be able to sand it today, so I will be coming back and doing it. But other than that, it looks absolutely amazing, if I do say so myself. So I will see you when I'm going to be sanding it soon. See you there. So there we go, ladies and gents. What do you think? Finished, sanded, cleaned, treated, not necessarily in that order, but it is completely done. Looks absolutely amazing. How good does that look? Loads better than what it looked like when we first started. A bit of bird poo on it since we cleaned it, but you can't help that because of the amount of trees that there is around this area. So yeah, it's just one of them things, I'm afraid. But other than that, it is done, it's cleaned, it's finished, and we're done. So that's it for now. I will see you next time. Join me on another amazing clean. I'll see you later. Bye bye.